Hello everybody and welcome to this week's Sweet Talk with Sweet Pea. I'm Dee, this is Silvanna and this is Cassie. So I just wanted to first of all thank everyone for coming to the Houston Quilt Fair. I know that Annette, Alison, Mark, Brent and Emma all had a great time meeting everybody. It was great to meet some of our regular customers as well as make a lot of new friends and new customers. And then following on from the Houston show, the next show that we have given Annette and Alison a little bit of a break to recover. The next show that they'll be going to is in Puyallup in Washington. So that show will be on November 17th to 19th, the NW Quilt Craft and Sewing Festival. That's on the November the 17th to the 19th. We will be at booth 1014 and 1015. So we have a big space to show you all of our beautiful designs and all of our handy Sweet Pea essential products. So some very exciting news for our Australian and New Zealand customers. Our range of stabilisers and batting is back in stock. So Cassie, could you please get us the stabiliser and batting? We have got, in stock we've got our bag stiffener. Our beautiful bag stiffener, which is super handy for giving some firmness and structure to your bags that you make. It's very light, it's not too thick, but it does give you that structure that you want in a bag. We then have our light as a feather stabilizer, which is a light mesh stabilizer, perfect for quilts. All of these stabilizers come in rolls of 10 meters or 10 yards or 9 meters. These are perfect sizes for working with a 6x10 hoop, so there's less wastage. We then have the easy to tear stabilizer, which is our tearaway stabilizer. And then we also have our mid-weight stabilizer, which is our cutaway stabilizer. So we use these every single day at Sweet Pea. We also have our Luscious Loft batting, which is the batting from the Sweet Pea Essentials range. It is made of 100% viscose. It's incredibly soft. It is about the size of a queen size bed. So it's perfect for making big quilts if that's what you're going to make, or if you just need some batting for your smaller projects. Comes in 63 by 120 inches or 160 centimeters by 3 meters. So we have the batting, and then we also have the 4 rolls of stabilizer. We decided to keep the collection going, but it'll be a bit different to what we had previously because we don't have the wash away. So you'll still get the 4 rolls of stabilizer, you'll still get the stabilizer holder design. So when you buy the collection, you'll still get this, you'll get the stabilizer holder added to your account as well. So I will say with the bag stiffener, it's not just for bags, even though it's called bag stiffener. I know Cassie uses it for coasters, table runners, wall hangings, anything that you want to have a bit more structure in your projects.
Alright, so next we're going to talk about our quintessential wallet. This is a sneak peek, so we're not going to show you all of the ins and the outs, but this one is going to be our next sew along for our bag group. We've got a 5x7 and an 8x8 for this one. For this design, James and Martin have made a tutorial to help you learn along the way some new techniques, and we look forward to seeing all your designs on the Facebook group to come. Our Kiss sew along for this month is our Noel hanger. This one comes in the 4x4, 5x5, 6x6, 7x7 and 8x8. Our sample size is the 6x6. For this design, I have actually used the bag stiffener underneath our batting, so we put it down at the same step and you cut it out at the same time as the batting, and it just gives it some structure and it will hang nicely, nice and straight.
I really love how you've used all our essentials in this as well. Like I love all the glitter and the PU. It just adds that little extra pizzazz.
Yeah, I tried to use a bit of glitter on each panel just to make it stand out a bit.
Bit more Christmassy.
Yeah. And each panel is attached by a bit of ribbon. You can use that any way you want. You can have the bow at the front, or what we've done is we just have a little knot, and I've made it short so they just touch. and that's for each of them. And at the top I've just got a piece of ribbon that you can hang on a hook or something.
You could even use those little those metal keyring things in between.
Oh yeah,
as well.
yeah. Sometimes we do use them for our designs. I've got it all tangled. So the competition details for the Noel hanger are that it starts on the 7th and finishes on the 30th. If you buy it in that time period, you get 30% off, making sure that you use the code. But you'll find that code on the Facebook group in the announcements. Making sure that you post your photo, and that's how you'll be eligible for the competition.
Yeah. We can't wait to see all your Noel hangers. Should we talk about the main sew along now, Cassie?
Yes. So this is Father Christmas. This one's got 7 different blocks. So you can use the feet as standalone, or we have actually made a block for them as well. If you made the feet as the standalone design, you can actually just make 2 left feet or 2 right feet, depending on what direction you want the shoes to go.
I just love this design. Emma's done such a good job digitising it. It's just got so much detail in it, and he just looks so cute. And we've used some PU for his gloves and PU for his boots, and we've used some fluffy fabric for the trims, which looks amazing.
For our lantern, we have an option to use our mylar, but for this one we've actually used PVC.
Yeah, that looks so cool. I love that.
But both options have people have actually shown us those in the group as well, which is amazing.
What are the competition details for this one, Cassie?
So this one started on the 4th of November and it finishes on the 28th, Brisbane time. Same as with the KISS design, you can get 30% on this Facebook group as well. So this is our main sew along group. This design comes in the 5x7, the 6x10 and the 7x12 hooping.
We made the 6x10 for this
Yeah,
one,
this is our sample size 6x10.
So for all our sew-alongs, we have video tutorials, which you can find in the links below, and there's also links to our Facebook groups there too. We've seen some really good ones so far, and we can't wait to see some more.
So the last sew-along we have to talk about is our block of the week. This is block 6 of 12 in our Santa's Workshop quilt. This is our sample size of 6x6, but we also offer 4x4, 5x5 and 6x6, 7x7. This one is released every Tuesday, Brisbane, Australia time at 9 AM. And this is our beautiful little Mrs. Claus.
Yeah, she's just so cute. I love how she's just knitting away. Sewing, I mean.
She's got her old style
Singer machine.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love how you use this fabric, Cassie.
Yeah.
It's so cute. Yeah, we can't wait to see all those in the Facebook group. Just keep them posted. There's competition every week.
Okay, so for the Block of the Week competition, every week we have a weekly competition, not just an all-over competition at the end. So every week, once you post your photos, we'll select a winner, and that winner will get the next block for free. So as with all our sew-alongs, this one will also be discounted by 30%. The discount's already automatically applied, but to get the discount you have to buy the block in the week that it's released.
So now we're going to talk about our latest releases this week. So we've got, first up, we've got the cat and dog advent calendars, which I just love.
Very cute.
We just love our animals here at Sweet Pea, so any chance to, give them a little treat.
Those.
So these, we've got the dog one here, which is loosely based on my Dachshund Maya. We made her look like a little reindeer. And then this one is a cat, which Jungin stitched these out and made look like her cat Boki. So I've done this like a little angel, because we all know that cats are little Christmas angels. And so this comes with some little pockets to put some treats in. They're just big enough to put some treats. Or you could you can make these for humans as well, not just for pets. So you can put like little chocolates in, or you can be creative and do whatever you're interested in, like tea or whatever fits in here. So this is probably about 1.5 inches, the pocket, and this is the 6x10 size. And it also comes in the 5x7 and 6x10. So these are super cute. I'd love to see photos of the ones you've made, especially if they have your little furry friend in, because I just love seeing those. So that's those ones. And then the next one we're going to talk about is the So This Is Christmas quilt, which I'm super excited about. I just love designing this one. So I tried to I know you guys love sewing and you love Christmas, so I thought I'd combine the two. This is our 6x6 sample size. It also comes in the 4x4, 5x5 and 7x7. So I've just tried to like incorporate sewing and Christmas here. So we've got like a little reindeer who's got tangled up in all your bobbins and threads. We've got a little pin cushion here, snow globe pin cushion, which we've used our mylar, which makes it look even more cool and sparkly and Christmassy. I just love how Cassie's used like a lot of our little essentials here just to give it an extra bit of texture. So we've got our PU here, we've got the glitter.
Got some cork.
And the cork, yeah, the cork's really cool. So I really tried to get all the sewing things in. Like all I want for Christmas is fabric, which is what we all want for Christmas. I've been making up some words like Stitchmas. So Merry Stitchmas. And then I think my favourite little thing that I came up with was, instead of a snowman, we've got a yarn man, which is kind of cool.
Yes, I love his little needle arms. They're so cute.
So yeah, I hope you guys like this one. I'd love to see what you make with it, as always.
Because you can repeat the blocks as well. We've only just done one block.
Yeah, and if you didn't want, you could always like make this into like a little Christmas card, this Merry Stitchmas one.
Yeah. That one, I think that one's my favourite, as simple as it is. These were really simple blocks as well.
And they're pretty quick stitch out as well, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, so perfect, just in time for Christmas, get them made super quick. So yeah, that's that one. And then, so what else? So then we've got the Christmas Town cushion, which is up here. Yeah. This one's super cute. It's got a little Christmas scene on here, so you can, perfect decoration for Christmas.
This one was designed by Naomi as well.
Yeah, Naomi designed this one.
She did a great job.
Yeah.
I think Jungin made this one as well. So, and this one comes in the 5x7, 6x10 and 7x12. You could also, you don't have to make a cushion, you can make a placemat which would look really nice.
Or even a hanger.
Yeah, or even a hanger. It's a really versatile design. You could probably even repeat the blocks and make it bigger.
Could even make a placemat.
You could.
Yeah, super cute design. Pretty quick stitch out as well for that one, so you can make some gifts for your friends and family.
Okay, so next up we have got our Snowflake clutch and supply kit. This is a beautiful little design, perfect for Christmas. You can purchase it as the design alone, or you can buy it as a kit. So we have two different options for the kits. We have it available in blue. So for the supplier kits, you'll receive 2 rolls of faux leather. For the blue, you'll get the navy, and you'll also get the reptile white. You'll also get a 3-pack of 13.5-inch zippers. These ones you'll get the white tape with the crystal blue. So there's that one.
Just show you the zipper inside.
Can open it. So the zipper's all done in the hoop. It looks really elegant, perfect for Christmas parties or Christmas dinners, Christmas presents. It's perfect size for your little knickknacks.
And you'll definitely get enough. You won't just get one purse out of these.
You'll be able to make multiple with what you've got, with what you get in the kit, so you can make some matching sets. We then have the kit available in the red colourway, so you'll get the antique grain burgundy, you'll also get the gold faux leather, and then you'll get a 3-pack of 13.5-inch zips in the black tape with the ruby teeth and pull. So they look completely different when they're done in the different colours. I think maybe they're both super elegant, but maybe one could be used more for nighttime, or one maybe for daytime, or just colour coordinating your Christmas clothes, really.
You know what I think, Deanna? I think that we should use them for the Christmas party. Because this matches your dress.
Yes.
This matches mine.
Yes, for our Christmas party coming up. That will be very fun. And Emma designed this this purse. It's really beautiful. The detail in the snowflake is gorgeous. She's done a lot of, even with the detail around the satin stitching on the scalloped edges of the snowflake is really beautiful. So I think this is a great purse for a gift for yourself. It looks so different to anything else we've done as well, so we're really excited about that one. But as I said, you don't have to buy the kit if you are not particularly fond of the colours. You can pick whatever colours you would like. I've seen a few other people use very different colours and they all look very different but all beautiful. So with the kit, the price of the kit is equal to the price of the physical products combined. So you end up getting the design for free. So it's a great way to get a deal, get the design, get the products you need, and then be able to make some more purses out of it as well. Because like Cassie said, you'll get more than one purse out of the rolls and the zips that you've received.
What size do these come in, Deanna?
So this design comes in 4 sizes. It comes in the 5x7, 6x10, 7x12, and the 9.5x14 size hoops. The bag is completely lined and finished beautifully in the hoop. Everything's done in the hoop, the zips, the tabs, all of it. So,
and this is our 6x10 design, this sample here.
Yep.
It's perfect size for your phone and all your little bits that you need.
Christmas crackers.
Oh yeah.
So yes, that's our Snowflake clutch supply kit. So that's it for this week's Sweet Talk with Sweet Pea. Thank you for joining us and going through our new releases, having some sneak peeks and looking at our sew-alongs. Thank you to Silvanna and Cassie for joining me and having me on Sweet Talk with Sweet Pea. Next time we talk to you, we'll be giving you some great new ideas of our designs, and we'll also be recapping our shows that we've held in the US. And we hope to see you soon. Thank you.
So if you've liked any products on the video this week, you can go to our website, which is swpea.com.